White back here. Today we're doing bananas. Have animals, packets. You stir it, you pick it up. Like it, you can eat them. And do that. A bunny rabbit, there's a pony. Ooh, what is that? A bunny rabbit. A dragon, a dog, and another dragon, and a panda. And donuts and hot dogs. Side of the box, the back of the box, the middle of the box, and the front of the box. Okay guys, now I'm gonna open up now. This guy. Super soft. Super soft. Can you put water in it? These are the packets. We don't know what's inside. Thanks, Mom. Let's find it inside. I'm gonna go get the toilet mixer. Dissolve. Whoa, I gotta poop. Okay, next one. Cupcake. Cupcake. I got a cupcake. Let's go. I think I know it. There we go. Okay. Poop, yellow, okay, and a blue and muffin.
Let's show them the poop again.
Poopy. Meow, meow. Where's the other one at? The poop at?
Put the food down. Food. Where's more food? Cheeseburger. Ow, 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 ow.
Ew. So guys, we're gonna eat it. Ew, he pooped. Let's give him this. feed him cheeseburger. Here you go. Uh-oh, the poop fell out. Yay! He fell from my mouth. The second pooperoo. Let's open the toilet. Get this guy. Let's go. Let's get it out. This is super cool. Okay. That's the guy. Describe him. A dragon. I'm going to eat you. How do I get this thing open? The water. A little bit longer.
What is it?
It's a brown and red cupcake.
You see?
Brown and red.
Go ahead and hand it over.
It still has an icky stuff. There we go. Now we're doing this one. I think this one is a boop. I think it's a boop. Another side. Trying to find it. Found it. A hamburger. Now last but not least, I think it's a poop. So now I'm in the toilet. Okay, here we go. A wet poop. And I'm gonna put him on the toilet. Okay. Hamburger. There he fell in the toilet. The other thing. Then put him at the toilet. And yeah. And he pooped on the ground. Oh, did he go? Did he get in there? Oh. Still waiting. God, I want to eat a hamburger. And then poopy. And poopy on the floor. video. Bye. Give a thumbs up, and what do you think I should do next?